Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike and I got my special guest, Uncle Don, back with me today. We're going to do this beautiful, huge, delicious chicken Parmesan sandwich coming up right now. All right, man, welcome back.
All right, we're back.
Tell us what we're going to do today. I've already kind of introduced it. We're going to be doing this chicken Parmesan sandwich. You and I got excited after we did that pizza video together, and we wanted to do something else. And this one was your idea. This is something you make at home, right?
Right. Basically almost the same thing as the pizza, only use the breading, the chicken, you cut it in half, pound it down.
So we got our cooktop here. We got the Cosmo Cooktop out. We're going to be frying these up, and we're going to show you guys how to prepare just one of these chicken breasts. We did one. This is what it's going to look like after it's cut in half and tenderized. But pretty much what you're going to need for this recipe, you're going to need some chicken breasts, and we're going to show you how to slice those in half and tenderize. We've got some Romano cheese, we've got some mozzarella cheese, we've got Donnie's sauce, we've got some egg that you're going to need. Yeah, the sauce.
Here we go with the sauce.
So we've got some egg here for the breading process. So we've got some garlic breadcrumbs, and we've got some flour. So right now we're just going to go ahead and show you how to prepare one of these chicken breasts, and then we'll get started cooking, and we're going to bring you through every step. Alright, so we went ahead and prepped the first two. We've got our pieces right here. Donnie's going to show you exactly how this is done. So where do we start, Donnie?
Alright, we just start by cutting it in half like a fillet. We're going to fillet it, butterfly it I should say.
So butterfly right down the center.
Right down the center. Use the palm of your hand so you don't cut your fingers off. There you go.
Now we got to tenderize.
I'm going to tenderize it, put a little piece of parchment paper on there. And think of your worst enemy when you do this.
And I noticed too, when you're doing it, you're kind of pushing outwards to sort of...
You want to get it as flat as you can because it makes it easier to cook.
Gotcha.
It doesn't have to cook as long. That should be good. Okay.
Very nice. All right, on to breading.
On the breading. What I'm going to do is cut this in half because it makes it easier to bread. First we're going to start in the flour. I'll use a fork. Makes it easier. Make sure that you coat it nice. Get it all coated. Then you're going to dip it in the egg. Make sure you get it all nice and coated.
So the reason why you guys haven't seen any episodes of me breading things is because I stink at it. So Donnie's doing this one. I'm learning from him.
Just use a fork, you can't go wrong.
That's a trick that I did not know, but now I do.
Okay, and then just put it into the breadcrumbs. Flip it over, and there you go.
Beautiful.
And we'll do one more. The flour. And the egg. And remember when you get done cutting chicken to wash everything down.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to get sick. Can you shake that, Mike?
Yep.
Okay. I'll let Mike learn how to do this. You won't see me no more.
Not true.
I know, I'm just kidding. Okay, and that's our bread.
Now we're ready to fry, aren't we?
Ready to fry.
All right, so we're going to get the cooktop started here in just a minute. The next step of this is going to be to show you how to flavor this bread. So Don, show us what you do here. We got a nice, beautiful piece of bread that we're going to make the sandwich with.
Okay, we're going to cut it in half. Close as half as you can come anyway. Oh, this is a thick piece of bread.
Well, that and my bread knife isn't exactly the greatest.
It's okay. It works, right?
It works.
Okay, here we go. Perfect cut. Now we're going to set it up. We need olive oil. I use olive oil instead of butter. Just take it with a spoon, move it around. That's all you need. Okay. Then we're going to put a little salt. This one.
That side, yep.
This side?
Nope, that side.
A little salt.
Oven's preheated.
A little pepper. Maybe.
Up.
Oh.
It's gonna come,
Wait, hold
dumping on.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you cook in somebody else's kitchen, I guess, right? There we go.
There we go. Perfect. A little garlic powder.
Which, by the way, I didn't have in the opening shot, but now you know.
And a little parsley. Then we'll put it on a cooking sheet. Throw it in the oven about 350, 375.
So we're gonna transfer this to the cooking sheet.
Right. And then put it in the oven.
All right.
Good to go.
I'm gonna put this in the oven. It's gonna stay in for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna get started with this chicken.
Want to make sure they're golden brown on each side.
So these are coming along really good. We've got nice color here on the outside. So we're gonna go ahead and finish these up. We've got a total of 6 to do. So we got our first 3 on that cooktop. This is what they look like right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get the other 3 done. All right, these last 3 are done. We're gonna go ahead and plate these up and get the oven ready to finish this sandwich off. We're gonna build it in just a second. All right, so the chicken is done. Now it's time to prep this sandwich. We've got this beautiful piece of bread here. We just took out of the oven a few minutes ago. This is basically like a toasted garlic bread, right?
Right.
And my broiler doesn't work, so it's not the right color on top, but whatever.
Yeah,
it's gonna eat.
It should be a golden brown.
It should be, but it's gonna eat good anyway.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and build this thing now. We're gonna assemble this. It's gonna be a double layer monster sandwich.
Okay. First we're going to put some sauce. That looks good just to eat that like that.
It does, man. That
Don't
looks
need
really
the rest
good.
of it. All right, chicken. Go with the big pieces, huh?
Yep. This chicken's lucky it made it to the sandwich.
The bread is lucky it made it.
That's true too.
Okay, and we'll just take a little piece of chicken here to fill in the center. Perfect. Okay, now we'll put a little sauce. You like a lot of sauce, put more sauce. You don't like so much sauce, you don't have to. Parmesan cheese. And we'll put a little mozzarella.
I like when people come to my house and cook for me.
Good eats. Okay. Ah. Think we need a little more cheese?
Oh yeah. Cheese is glorious.
Some cheese. We're making a mess, but
It doesn't matter.
it looks good. Okay, now, more chicken.
Cooktop finally shut off.
Yeah. Another big piece of chicken. Want to triple it?
We can.
We'll triple it. Think about it. All right, a little sauce. I don't know how we're gonna have to do the elbow thing to eat it.
That's fine, whatever. It's not like we haven't done that before.
Yeah. Okay, a little Parmesan. A little more cheese. Oh, Dagwood sandwich.
Yeah, that's just beautiful.
Okay. And we'll give it one more layer. What the hell? got nothing to lose. Oh yeah. Don't forget the crust.
There we go.
Okay.
Can't leave any of that goodness out.
Some more sauce. This is just Mod Not sauce. Everybody makes their own. You can buy it in a can, whatever you want to do. Oh yeah, we're just gonna smother this on there. Yeah. Looks like an ocean liner.
That's huge. That's like a lunch for 4 or 5 people right there.
Bring it.
Last layer of cheese, here we go. Oh, the crown, here we go.
Here we go. Oh yeah, that's a sandwich there, boys.
That is crazy.
All right, put it in the oven, let's melt it.
All right, we're gonna get this in the oven to melt it down. It's gonna be a few minutes. I hope I can get it. I'm gonna need some help lifting this bad boy. We'll bring it right back when it comes out of the oven. All right, so we just took this bad boy out of the oven. Check this out. So we got these kebab sticks to hold this thing together. I have no idea how we're gonna eat this thing.
No, I don't know. The easy part was making it. The hard part's going to be cutting and eating it.
One word, man, glorious.
Glorious.
We gotta try to eat this. Good job.
All right.
All right, here we go. Time to cut.
Let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. Oh, nice crunchy.
There we go. I don't know how we're gonna eat this thing. I have no idea.
Oh, it's not cut through yet. There we are.
So this is what we got. Now, the real magic trick here is Uncle D and I trying to take a bite of this bad boy. So here we go.
Well, I'm gonna cut a little piece. Cut a little piece. That's good enough for me. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Uncle D's taking the little piece.
Yeah.
And what I'm gonna do is eat off the side that he just cut.
Okay.
That'll give me at least a chance.
Push it down. It's not that bad.
Just look at that goodness. That is unbelievable.
Here we go.
All right, I'm gonna try to push this together. Cheers, everybody.
That's good. You better squeeze it more.
I didn't even hardly get anything.
That's really good. Excellent.
All right, I'm gonna try another bite. I'm gonna try to actually get a little more chicken this time. Here we go.
Squeeze it. You still can't squeeze it. That's a chicken Parmesan sandwich on steroids right there, brother.
That is crazy.
It was good. Is it good?
Unbelievably good. I probably got sauce everywhere. All right, so I'm gonna say for sure that seasoning up that bread the way you did, I taste that immediately. I mean, it's unbelievably good. The chicken's cooked perfectly. Naturally, the sauce is good. All that cheese, all that goodness, and this breading, man, this is just, I mean, it's a monster. I hope you guys can just see, we wanted to overdo this. We really did. We wanted to make something absolutely ginormous. So I have no idea what I'm going to call this yet. First, I'm going to take another bite.
It's coming out the other end.
Yeah, I know.
You gotta do the elbow squat with that baby.
Yeah, we gotta do it. The Al's beef elbow squat. Nobody's gonna know what that is.
No. It was pretty good.
Incredibly good. All right, man, so we set out to do this, and we were talking double.
Yeah, and we made a triple.
And it turned into a triple. Anybody who likes big food should love this video. No way we're gonna finish this. This is probably gonna get eaten for at least a couple days by my whole family. But hey, thanks for coming out and doing this again, man.
No problem.
I really appreciate it.
We're gonna come and do another one.
He's gonna be back. Please like this video, comment. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. I do this for my family, for my kids' futures primarily, so it means a lot to me to get your support. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, till next time, I'll see you on the next episode.